gonna, I'm gonna play one thing, at least a few things before I die. This is the one I think works. I'm not scared to die. Seen it in my dreams. Time I get little bit more used to the feeling. It's kind of funny now. Whenever I wake up, I feel like something should miss. Death, your gasping breath is beautiful to me. You and I can change this town. Fuck it. You and I can change this world. Let's mark our graves with our new names. From the inside out, watch our bodies burn. Ghost that's inside your head. Wake up tomorrow with something to hide. For a second, fentanyl to keep me alive. Mouth to mouth, face to face, looking into the hide your face. Mouth to mouth, face. Oh my goodness, my hand hurts so bad. Face to face, looking in the eye, tell me I don't know. Taking off your clothes, it makes me want to die. You can't kill me. Oh my goodness. You can't kill me. I've already tried. Mouth to mouth, face to face, hide your face. Mouth to mouth, face to face, look in the eye, tell me I don't know my part. I don't like the way I sung this. I won't let me do it again.
Now my heart burned, my ribs set fire to my empty skin. Trace the mirror on my wall, slit my throat, set me free. If the soul compels me to bleed, compels the body not to rot. The angel watches over me, gave me every chance. I can leave the bathroom, I can't wash the blood off my hands. Is this what you expected when you held me in your arms? For me to be filled with ibuprofen and all covered in scars? It always scared me, and all I had left was tears. Watching myself from the mirror, but I can't see my face. I get you back, and your blood drips down my leg. But ends it all, scared little boys wants to see his bird. Again, I come in your mouth, lay it out on the floor. Gotta die apathetic, another nameless heart.